Ahmed Tinubu will win very clearly.
What money cannot buy does not exist. Asari Dokubo dumped Biafra freedom, declare massive support for Bola Ahmed Tinubu as he predicts landslide victory for Tinubu in the coming election. In a major boost for All Progressive Congress (APC) presidential stand-barre Bola Ahmed Tinubu in Delta State region. The Niger Delta freedom fighter, who once declared himself as the self-proclaimed Biafra president, Alhaji Mujahid Asari Dokubo, finally dumped agitating for Biafra as he has rallied the Canterbury Kingdom in support of APC in the forthcoming 2023 presidential election. Asari Dokubo, who spoke in Canterbury language and in English, urged the people of the kingdom to support Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the former governor of Lagos State. Asari Dokubo also predicts a clear victory for Tinubu, say there is nothing that can stop Tinubu from winning the 2023 presidential election. Asari Dokubo said Tinubu will win the presidential election, say the former governor is better than Peter Obi and Vice President Atiku Abubakar, as he also said Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar cannot stand the record of achievement of Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Ahmed Tinubu will win very clearly. All the chiefs from the 33 towns and villages in Calabar gather, and they all have endorsed him, have given him their mandate to represent them and to speak for them. And they have given their full support that come the presidential election, they will vote and support Ahmed Bola Tinubu as the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
It's we, the Calabari people, we, the Niger Delta people. So leadership is looked up to in every facet of our endeavors. But the only way we can realize that is when we come together as a people